Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well today. So I'm off to Coachella tomorrow. Oh my god, I am so excited. This will be my third time, my second time doing the first weekend, and yeah, honestly, like, can't even tell you how excited I am. I've planned all my festival looks, my hair, and that is why I thought I'd film this video for you guys today, because I wanted to show you a little bit of hair inspiration for Coachella that I will kind of be using over the weekend. So do check out my Instagram at sophiehannah if you want to keep up to date with my Coachella looks. So I'm going to be going all out today. I've got some braiding hair. I've gone for a pink to blue ombre. I've got 2 packets of these from eBay. Super cheap. I'll pop a link below if you're interested. And I'm going to be showing you a kind of easy way to braid it into your hair. Then I'm going to be creating space buns, and then hopefully I'll have some long kind of bunchy space bun things with plaits and things like that. So yeah, I'm just going to go with the flow and kind of experiment. I follow at Hair with Linda on Instagram, and she does some insane festival hair looks. So yeah, I'm just going to get inspired by her. Do check out her Instagram, and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to speed it up because this is probably going to take me a while. So let's get going. Oh my god, what do we think of my Coachella hair? I'm in love. Oh my god, I actually cannot believe I just did this. I've never ever attempted to braid my hair like this before and do this look. I've normally kind of not been great at trying to braid my hair with extensions, but I got given a little tip recently where you use this tool and it made it so much easier. Oh my god, I love it. This hair is actually insane. Also love how I chose the pink into blue ombre to match my current hair, because it does work really, really well. And I know I've got a bob. I know a lot of people do this kind of hair with long hair and then they braid the hair into it, and then they can have like two kind of bunches with all of their hair in it, but obviously I've got a bob and it won't go up like that, so I think it looks cute having the bob underneath. I've kept these little bits out at the front because I thought they were really cute, and I wanted some of my neon lime green in the look. Oh my god, it's so cool. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm literally gonna have this festival hair like every time I go to a festival. And the great thing is you can get the braiding hair in so many different colours, so you can really like have fun with it. I could have even like plaited the whole thing here. I could, oh my god, literally like there's so many ideas that I could do. I could braid my whole hair. I love it. Oh my god, it's so cool. So guys, what do you think of this tutorial? I really, really hope you enjoyed it. Sorry I had to speed it up. It did take me a while to do, so I hope you could follow it easily. Please leave a comment below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have lots of festival videos coming soon because Coachella has kick-started the festival season when it starts tomorrow. Yeah, as I said, do check out my festival looks on my Instagram at Sophie Hannah, and I'll see you here in another video very, very soon. Peace out.